Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here, and it's another beautiful day here in filthy Cleveland. And guess what, guys? I finally picked up a gorgeous BMW R1300 GS machine, and it is right there. And you guys know me, I cannot leave it stock for long. So in today's video, I'm gonna trailer this beautiful machine up to Sills Motor Sales, where Zach the Master Mechanic is going to install some outstanding parts onto that gorgeous bike. One part that he's going to install is our Chigee AIO-6 smart navigation system with cameras and all that. I can't wait to show you how that works. And then our good friends at VanDemon has sent us a beautiful full exhaust system that replaces the stock exhaust. Don't get me wrong, guys, this bike is absolutely gorgeous in its stock form, but the VanDemon exhaust is going to replace this Akrapovic slip-on system, and it's going to remove the catalytic converter, which you see right there underneath the bike, and it's going to save a lot of weight. We're going to weigh the bike as it is right now, and then we will also weigh it after Zach installs the full titanium VanDemon exhaust system. This stock exhaust system is stainless steel, so I can't wait to see how the color change and everything is going to look when we put the gorgeous titanium VanDemon exhaust on this beautiful bike. This bike comes with the forged wheels, nicely equipped. It has the ride height sensor thingy that I haven't even ridden it yet. It was just delivered a couple days ago, and one of the first things that we did was install a quad lock onto this beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. So really cool to get that going on the way. While we're talking about VanDemon exhausts, you guys know I've been using the VanDemon exhaust on the world's most powerful Kawasaki Ninja H2 for many years. And one of the reasons why I love working with VanDemon and using their exhausts is because look at that titanium. Absolutely brilliant. And this machine achieves a tremendous amount of heat. And this exhaust system has stood up to that heat over time. I've had this exhaust in this bike for over 5 years, and it's just been absolutely amazing, guys. So yeah, super excited to load this bike up into the trailer and head over to Sills Motor Sales right now. All right, guys, I made it to Sills. We've got the VanDemon exhaust right there. We've got one of my scales. 3 of the other scales were not working, and because I really wanted to weigh the motorcycle. I even took the extra step of going to the fuel station, filling this thing all the way up, as you can see right there, with premium petrol, just so we can get a very accurate and fair weight of the bike. But since 3 of the scales aren't working, what we're going to do, we're just going to weigh the exhaust system itself to see how much the VanDemon exhaust weighs. And then once Zach removes the stock exhaust, we're going to weigh that, and that's going to give us our difference. All right, so we got a box here. Inside, we have all of our VanDemon stuff, some paperwork, but look at these beautiful components, guys. Full titanium, and it's sort of like a puzzle that Zach has to put together. And we have the canister right here, this gorgeous VanDemon canister that's going to sit on the motorcycle. We've got some paste, instructions, a beautiful VanDemon hat that we're going to wear proudly, and a nice VanDemon lanyard key tag. And you can see, guys, I removed the hat, the paste, and all the other non-essential stuff. That is only the exhaust on the scale right now, and it's coming in at 16 pounds. 16 pounds for the VanDemon exhaust. We somehow managed to make an already beautiful bike even more dazzling and amazing than it was in stock form. Look at this gorgeous VanDemon exhaust that replaced the stock system and removed the catalytic converter that used to reside right under there. We saved 9 pounds in the process and made the bike look more beautiful, and as you'll hear in one moment, sound just Utterly amazing, to just sum it up. But look at this exhaust, titanium with a carbon fiber end cap on that canister. It looks brilliant. We step around to the front of the machine and we'll see that the headers are changing colors, and in just a little while, after a few more heat cycles, they will be completely blue, yellow, green, purple, and just look outstanding. Let's check out the Chigee AIO-6 LTE 4G smart navigation system. You've seen this before on my M1000 XR, and here it is on this bike. Zach, the master mechanic, installed the forward-facing camera that came with this unit right there. It looks very nice and neat. And it puts out HD images to that unit. And we also have the rear facing camera, which you see is nestled right above the radar system for this machine. That also looks very nice, professionally installed by Zach, the master mechanic. And when I'm riding this bike, I'm going to demonstrate exactly how those beautiful cameras work and just how effective they are. But guys, look, this bike is outstanding. The Chigee system is very awesome. I've raved about it many, many times before. A link to it is in the description of this video, and there is a discount code available as well. But I absolutely love this unit, more so than the option that comes from BMW for this motorcycle. It connects, yeah, there it is, coming to life. It's going to connect. Right now it's showing the rear-facing camera, and in a second it's going to connect to Android Auto. It also supports Apple CarPlay. And if you could see that, I don't know if this camera will pick it up, but yeah, it was focusing on me in the back, and now it just it just popped open the music I was listening to. So we're going to pause that. There we go. And we'll take it back to the main screen there where we could see, look at that. That is Android Auto, and you can cycle through a variety of different screens. This also has tire pressure monitoring, so we have that as well. And it can be controlled from the BMW Wonder Wheel. There is an option available for you to get a standalone controller that will operate the Chigee unit if you so desire. But I think it works absolutely great, guys. And look at this beautiful bike. What a gorgeous machine. I used to own a R1300 GS, and let me tell you, it is much improved, this R1300 version. Much, much, much improved, as I'll talk about here in just a moment. But let's see if I can fire this up. Give it a couple revs. So what's it like riding this beautiful BMW R1300 GS with its VanDemon exhaust and its Chigee AIO-6 LTE 4G smart navigation system? Well, with its exhaust now, this bike sounds proper. Sounds exactly how it should have sounded from the factory. You can hear every crackle, every pop, every gold wing. Everything is audible now. And it seems like the bike just wants to come to life now because of this exhaust. It's just amazing. Not only does it look great, it's full titanium, it's stylish, it has a carbon fiber end cap. Woo! But it's saved weight. And it makes the bike perform almost to the point that a bike like this should not be performing. But we love it all the same. I tell you guys, there's nothing like the feeling of a GS when it goes airborne. Even if it's for a brief moment, it's nice. And since, we gotta settle down now, okay? Settle down, settle down. And since this awesome Chigee has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, I've got, well, at the moment I have maps up. Usually I have Waze up so that it lets me know where there's law enforcement. But it does a tremendous amount of extra stuff, which leads me to my next statement. The Chigee unit, way better than the BMW Navigator unit that you could buy from the store. Way better. I mean, the fact that it supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but then you can insert a card, a 4G card into this thing and just get amazing, amazing, amazing features when you do that. This Chigee unit can alert you if someone tampers with your motorcycle, if someone pilfers or steals it. It does a lot. I really hope you guys heard all those crackles and pops and just the beautiful sounds that this bike made. And there is the rear-facing camera, and it also showing the front camera as well. When you come to a stop, that is great that this Chigee AIO-6 LTE 4G smart navigation unit displays that for our safety. That's really awesome. And then once we take off, that screen goes away and it's back to Android Auto. Really a nice unit, super bright. You can adjust the brightness, you can adjust the sound that this unit makes. It's really nice. And so is this bike with this VanDemon exhaust on it, guys, I tell you. So I'm gonna do a lot more cruising around on this bike out in the country roads here in Ohio, show you guys some really interesting parts of Ohio here in the fall. The leaves will start changing colors. It's gonna get very beautiful. And this is the exact type of bike you'd wanna be on to experience these roads out here. So keep watching, guys. This is just a teaser, letting you know what's more to come with this beautiful BMW R1300 GS, now that it has all of these amazing parts installed. And it is just an epic, epic motorcycle. We'll catch you guys next time on the 650 YouTube channel. Keep riding, ride something, and ride safe.